Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a fish scale pattern using Python. So we'll start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy and matplotlib are imported. So NumPy is used for mathematical operations and randomness, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating plots. So here now we'll set grid size and circle radius for the pattern. So this defines the number of rows and columns, which is 10 into 10 grids, and defines the radius of each semicircle as 1. So now we'll create the figure and axis for this. So this creates a figure and an axis with an 8 into 8 inch canvas, and here plt.subplot, it is used for making a figure with subplots. And now we'll set axis limit. So here ax.setXLimit, this sets the limit for x-axis and ranges from 0 to column into radius, whereas ax.setYLimit, this sets the limit for y-axis. Height is adjusted for proper alignment of semicircles, and here rows plus 0.5 and radius divided by 2, this ensures the last row is properly visible. So now we'll make the plot circular and remove the axis. So here as.setAspectEqual, this maintains equal scaling for x and y axis, ensuring circles remain perfectly round, and ax.setAxisOff, this removes the axis labels and ticks for a clean look. So now we'll define the colors which we are using in this pattern. So this creates a list of 5 colors in hex format. These colors will be randomly assigned to the semicircles. And now we'll create a loop to create the fish. So for that we'll write So the outer loop row iterates through each row, and the inner loop call iterates through each column. So now we'll calculate x and y positions. So for that we'll write so here x sets the x position for each semicircle and y sets the y position for stacking semicircles half overlapping to the x. And now we'll offset the ratio of the rows. So if row is odd, shift x position by radius by 2. This staggered alignment mimics the overlapping scales first. So now we'll draw the semicircles. So this line creates a circle at xy with radius 1 and fills it with a random color from the color list. And here np.random choice, this is used to fill the colors at the random places. And here clip on is equals to false. This ensures the circles aren't clipped at the edges. So this adds a semicircle to the plot. So now we'll add the plot title. So this adds a title to the plot with font size 16 and font weight bold. And the font of the color navy and padding is equals to 15. And now at last we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we'll check this. So now here we can see a fish scale pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.